Hi there everyone! Today I want to show you one of my breakfast. If you have tomato and eggs, this is recipe for you. Tomato and eggs go together so well in this breakfast. As always, it's very quick and easy to prepare. To begin, we need slice up one medium tomato. Then heat a frying pan with oil. I use vegetable oil, you can use any oil of choice. Add the sliced tomato and cook over medium heat a few minutes per side. Next, add the eggs. Salt and pepper to taste. And I use a teaspoon of smoked paprika, but this is optional. Cover the frying pan and cook over low heat for about 3 minutes until the eggs are cooked. Once the eggs are cooked, it's ready to be enjoyed. I like to serve it with some crusty bread. However, to feel free, get creative and serve it any way you prefer. I hope you like this recipe. Tell me what you think about this recipe. Thank you for watching.